Today I'm replacing my Coyote grill burners here for a client. They have this little cotter pin, or they have a little nut, which the sear burner has a little nut. It's right here on the back side. I had to go up and under to get to those pinholes, but not super hard. You see these are all burned through. So I'm just pulling that out slowly, tilting it up to the left. Pull the cotter pin. Now I talked to Coyote this morning. They said the cotter pins and bolts are just used for shipping and that they're not necessary. Line up the hole here at the back. That's in. So it takes a little bit of time. Got all new sears as well.